everyone, today I'm showing you how I use my Nude Flasher Pro. Just a quick heads up, this video does contain flashes of light throughout. Keep in mind everyone's skin journey is different and IPL can work completely differently depending on your specific skin type and hair color. This is all just based on my personal experience and understanding. If you want to check it out, my link is in the video description below. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I use my Nude Flasher Pro and the different lenses it comes with. Also, if you do end up using my link in the description, thank you in advance. It really does support me and I appreciate it so much. This is an at-home IPL device, which stands for Intense Pulsed Light. It's designed to target the hair at the root over time to help reduce regrowth. The Flasher Pro comes with interchangeable lenses depending on the goal you are trying to achieve. It makes it very easy to customize your experience with the Nude Flasher Pro. I always start with the hair removal lens. This is the one I use for areas like my underarms, as well as my bikini area and my legs from the knee down. I make sure that my skin is clean and shaved beforehand, and then I go in with the device. This device works specifically when it's at a 90-degree angle. My preference for the Nude Flasher Pro is to use the manual button. I do not use the automatic setting on this device. However, with a different flasher from the same brand Nude, I do use the automatic setting. Because of my experience with this device, I do feel that I can move consistently and quickly throughout this process. I will not be demonstrating the use of this device on my bikini line or on my legs, but that is what I'm going to do next. I'll be right back. It's time to move on to the ageless lens. Now, I have been using this on my underarms to try to lighten up dark spots on my underarms, as well as on a mark on the side of my body. It does have the same requirements of holding the device at a 90-degree angle. I do again choose to use the manual setting on this lens as well. I am looking forward to seeing the results from using the ageless lens. I will be using it 2 to 3 times per week and will keep you updated with weekly videos showing my progress. When I initially used the ageless lens under my arms, I received a lot of comments asking why. I do have dark spots on my underarms, and I reached out to Nude to confirm that it could be used on my underarms, and they did verify that information for me in a DM. I would love to feel really confident with my underarms. This video has been filmed in real time, so I have not sped this up. This is the amount of time that it took me to actually treat each individual area. The ageless lens uses light technology differently than the hair removal lens. You just simply switch out the lens depending on which type of session you are going for. Thank you again for using my link, and I'll see you next time.